You all right there, Cubby?
A-okay! Chapter 6 of the CLADE Agent Handbook explains all about using these stilts!
We should split up and search for whoever's making that noise. We'll cover more ground that way.
Let's do it.
This case is turning out to be harder than I thought.
It sure is. I did manage to find one clue, though. A feather. And it doesn't match any of the birds we've met so far.
This feather is the same color as the marsh reeds.
We may be dealing with a master of camouflage.
So whoever's making the noise blends in with the reeds? They're gonna be tough to find! Whoa! I'm okay!
Sam, do you think Cubby is ready for field work?
She's clearly memorized the CLADE Agent Handbook. She might just need time to adjust.
Right. Better go help her out.
Drip, drip.
Huh? Excuse me? Sir? Have you heard a dripping noise?
Drip.
Cubby, you just solved the case.
I did? Of course. The noisemaker is an American bittern.
Drip.
Bitterns are really good at blending in, and they can make some pretty strange noises. Some people call them water burpers.
We prefer water belchers.
Sir, could you try to keep the belching down? It's bothering the locals.
I only make that noise to tell other bitterns that this is my marsh. But I don't see any others around, so I suppose I can stop.
Yahoo! Now let's celebrate with a selfie!
Drip,
Hey,
drip,
hang
drip,
on!
drip, drip,
Whiskers, there are two bitterns
Drip.
making the noise.
drip,
Uh-oh.
drip.
This isn't good.
You!
Looks like they both want this marsh.
I told you once and I'll tell you again. This is my marsh.
I've been belching here all day. It's mine.
Come on, can't we all be friends?
It's mine.
No, it's mine.
Oh no, Cubby!
This wasn't in the handbook!
We have to save her.
Phew!
Creature cases.
What's that?
Dunno. Let's find out.
This puzzle is so fun and challenging.
I know! Only someone really clever could put it all together.
Too bad we don't know anyone like that. Guess we have it all to ourselves.
A puzzle? That looks fun!
Yeah, we love puzzles. Maybe we could take a look at it.
I don't know if you're up to the task. It's really tricky.
We can do it!
Yeah, can we try? Please, please, please.
Well...
I guess you could give it a shot.
Yeah!
Kias, let's get to it! Done!
That was fun! Yeah! Let's do another one!
Hi! Aren't these just those thingies we took apart earlier?
They sure are.
We tricked you into helping us put them back together again.
You tricked us?
That's hilarious!
You really got us!
Speaking of pranks, should we show them?
Show us what?
Try the horn!
Good one. Thanks for the upgrade.
pleasure. Everyone could do with a laugh now and then.
I suppose you're right. Come on, kids. Time to head back to Ron. And then...
Home! See ya, kids!
Bye!
Thanks for playing with us!
Well, kids, another creature case closed! The creature cases.
Hey, that's a nice rock.
Yeah, no, it's my rock.
It's gonna be my rock soon.
Ha! You'll have to fight me for it.
Are those rails dancing?
They're fighting. Real style. It's how they protect their territory.
Hey, you! Get away from my rock!
Guess she's the winner. Nice move, Sam.
Whoops. I didn't realize I was doing that.
You were moving just like the rails. And that's how we're gonna get inside.
What do you mean?
If you challenge the rails with your dancing and win, they'd have to let us into their village.
But moves are only half the fight. We need rail noises too. Which you know how to make. Whiskers, that's it. If we work together, we can dance and sound just like a rail and challenge the champion.
It's gonna take skill and it's gonna take teamwork. What do you say?
I say, let's dance. How do I look?
Just like a rail. Come on. Hey. Let me into the village.
You're pretty big for an inaccessible island rail.
My mom says I've always been big boned.
Well, still can't come into our village without a fight.
You're on.
You don't see that every day.
Creature cases.
If we all work together, we can stop that cuckoo once and for all.
Everybody, be ready. That cuckoo could come from any direction.
Don't let her get through.
There she is.
Not on Wally's watch! Cluebots, go!
Wally, go!
Oh, Wally!
Stay in formation.
Stay sharp, everyone. She didn't go far. The cuckoo's getting tired. Keep it up, everyone. Don't let her through!
You leave my eggs alone!
Cuckoo. We did it! She's flying away!
I don't think she'll be back to bother you.
Thank you for all your help. You've saved our eggs. Oh?
Sam, look! They're hatching!
Oh, cute little things, aren't they?
3 baby chicks. And 1 baby cuckoo.
I guess that mama cuckoo's not coming back for her hatchlings.
Afraid not. Cuckoos lay their eggs and leave them for someone else to take care of when they hatch. But who'll take care of these baby cuckoos?
You let our Wally handle this one. Hey, look! This way, recruits! Your nature ranger training starts today. Mum, I'm bringing some new friends home for lunch.
That's lovely, dear. I'll put the kettle on.
Woohoo! Go Wally!
Looks like they're in good hands. Another creature case closed.
Don't worry, Sam. This plan's gonna work, and you'll get your Cluebot back without a scratch.
All right. Setting ground traps now.
Trap set. We're gonna catch this blue bandit red-handed. Get it? Red-handed? Because the traps are red?
Feel like we're missing something, Kit.
Talk to me.
Back where Hermie's shell disappeared, we didn't find any footprints, right? But what if the wind didn't blow them away? What if the blue bandit didn't leave footprints because it wasn't on the ground?
What if it flies?
No! Quick! We can't let it get away!
Don't have to tell me twice. Come back with that Cluebot, blue bandit!
Hang in there, Daddy's coming! I mean, CLADE is on the way!
Look out! He's getting away!
Not if I can help it! Cluebot, footprint scanner! I think he landed over here.
What in the woolly world? This must be the blue bandit's lair.
Someone's coming! We better be ready for anything!
Please don't hurt me. My mom says I have delicate bones. I'm sorry for taking your dishwasher or whatever that thing was. But hey, while you're here, do you have anything blue I could have?
Wasn't ready for that. Oh.
Sam, the blue bandit is a bowerbird.
Yes! You understand. I'm not a bad bird. I'm a bowerbird. Hey, I just take blue stuff whenever I want it. If that's bad, then...
Actually, it kind of is bad.
Nevertheless. Hi, I'm Larry.
He can't help it, Sam. Boy bowerbirds gather up objects of certain colors to impress girl bowerbirds. In this case, blue stuff. Like my pen.
Yeah, isn't it beautiful?
So, Larry, you stole all these blue things for a girl.
Oh, not just any girl. Jennifer Jenkins. I thought if I had enough great stuff around here, maybe she'd want to be my friend. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to cause all this trouble.
Aw, we know you didn't. You're just doing what bowerbirds do.
But you're still going to have to return all this stuff. And hey, afterwards, I reckon we could help you rebuild this place.
Yeah, and we'll get permission so you don't have to steal anything.
Really? Let's do it!
The creature cases!
Agent Indy reporting for duty.
Of course! You're a honey guide!
You got it.
Honey guide?
Honey guide birds are experts at tracking down beehives.
Ooh, there's a beehive over there, and over there, and there, and there.
Whoa, slow down, Agent.
Sorry, this is my first real creature case. I'm a little excited.
You're gonna do great, Indy. But first, we need to find this honeybee's hive.
That hive is
Right over there.
Wow, he's good.
Miss, I'm Agent Snow. These are Agents Casey and Indy. We're here to help you find your family.
I'm Beatrice. I don't know what happened. I came home and everybody was just gone. Mom? Dad?
Nope, it's just a honey badger.
Hey, Birdie, what do you say you ditch those two and you and me find some honey? We'll split it, 50-50.
Ha! Are you kidding? I'm a CLADE agent. And besides, I don't even eat honey. I much prefer the delicious beeswax.
Beeswax? Blech.
Speaking of beeswax, mind your own.
Yeah, forget about it.
That guy seemed pretty suspicious. Do you think he could have had something to do with the bee family's disappearance?
No signs of a honey badger break-in. They use their claws to get to the honey. And sometimes they even spray hives with a stinky smell to scare off bees.
Nothing stinky here. Just the sweet, scrumptious smell of honey. May I?
Sure.
Ooh, delightful. Do I detect a hint of acacia flower?
Mm-hmm.
Sir, are you gonna eat that wax?
Oh, help yourself.
Don't worry, Beatrice. I know every hive in the area.
Oh.
We'll check them all until we find your parents.
Lead the way, Indy.
I'm Agent Sam Snow.
And I'm Agent Kid Casey.
Sorry, guys.
It's up to you now.
Stay cool out there, Agent.
You can count on us, Director.